Hi everyone, so the topic for today is the 3 degrees of adjectives. So at the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to identify the 3 degrees of adjectives, use positive, comparative, and superlative form of adjective, and compose clear and accurate sentences with the use of appropriate degrees of adjectives. So are you excited to learn something today? Okay, so take a look at the following sentences below. Malaysia's population is small. North Korea's population is smaller than that of Malaysia. Brunei's population is the smallest among the Asian countries listed in degree. So the first sentence simply makes a statement. So what adjective is used? Is Malaysia being compared in any countries? Now look at the second sentence. Is there any comparison made? Take a look at the third sentence. Is there any comparison made?
In the first sentence, there is no comparison happen. So, the adjective that is being used is small, which is in the positive form. While in the second sentence, smaller is an adjective that is being used because it compares two countries, which is North Korea and Malaysia. While in the third sentence, the adjective that is being used is smallest because it compares more than two countries. So smallest is an adjective in the superlative form. So as what I have mentioned earlier, there are 3 degrees of adjectives: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. So what is the positive degree? When we say positive degree, it is an adjective that describes only one person, place, or thing without making any comparison. Like for example, mahogany is tall. How about the comparative degree? Comparative degree is an adjective that is used to compare two persons, places, or things. Like for example, acacia is taller than mahogany, so it compares two trees, which is acacia and mahogany, so it uses an adjective which is taller. And what is the superlative degree? When we say superlative degree, it is an adjective that is used to compare 3 or more persons, places, or things. Like for example, Nara is the tallest among the 3. So Nara is being compared in acacia and mahogany. So it uses superlative degree, which is the tallest.
Rules for forming comparatives and superlatives. One-syllable adjectives generally form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est. If a one-syllable adjective ends in a single vowel letter followed by a single consonant letter, the consonant letter is doubled. When an adjective ends in e, we only add r and st to the adjective. If an adjective ends in a consonant followed by y, change y to I and add er or ast. Two-syllable adjectives which end in y usually form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est. As a general rule, most other adjectives which have 2 or more syllables form the comparative and superlative with more and most. So the following adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative forms. So that's all for today. Hope you've learned something.